What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Silverback June, back at it again with another legendary video. I'm out here with drag strip rabies. You know what I'm saying? Woohoo! You see it, you see it. You know what I'm saying? But today I'm excited. Why? Today is the finally drag strip rabies is about to get painted. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to Jada Fix's crib. Everybody know Jada Fix. I don't know if you know, but you see him in my old videos or whatever. Jada Fixer, that's my boy. You know what I'm saying? So we going to his house, you know, upstate. I can't tell you the content, you know, or like, you know, his exact address, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, I don't want to do all that. But when I get up there, you know what I'm saying? We're going to start the process. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to take you through it. All right? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, to my channel if you like my content. All right? So Silverback June, man. I'm out of here. Drag strip rabies. Woohoo! Just got the body work done. You know what I'm saying? So cleaned her up yesterday. So, you know, I'm going upstate and give you the final look of what the car is gonna look like. I'm not gonna tell you what color I'm painting it, but it's gonna be legendary, I promise you. Alright, man, Silverback June, man. I'm out of here. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, man, it's your boy Silverback June. Back at it again, man. So I'm at Jada Fix's crib, man. We got the car prepped, ready. You know what I'm saying? Ready for paint. Well, not quite. We just masking everything off. We got Jada Fix over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But you know, we getting busy. Let me show you what we did so far. We had to clean up the car a little bit. See, we got it masked off, the tape. Got newspaper, everything. You know, took the taillights out, you know, so it'll be easier for us to paint. We gonna have to wipe this car down again, but you know, we just masking off the parts that we not painting. And that's it, man. Pretty much that's it. You know, we just trying to get stuff done. So I gotta go to work tonight, but you know, I don't think this is gonna take long. Oh, Jeremiah, the young NBA player. You know what I'm saying? You gotta watch out. You know, coming soon, man. Jeremiah Forbes. You know what I'm saying? Jeremiah Forbes over there. You know what I'm saying? He about to be dunking on people soon. But anyway, yeah, back on. So yeah, everything masked off. So yeah, man. So when we start painting and stuff like that, or when we get close to it, I'll get back to you, man. Silverback June. All right, man. Jay, so what we doing, man?
Right now, about to just do the last wipe down real quick.
About to do the last wipe down. We in the garage. We mixed the paint over here. This is called Dip Your Car. All right, so we got some Dip Your Car.
Ideally, you like to work a little neater than cleaner than what we doing, but you know, situations ain't what it is.
I hear that. So we just wiping it down. About to get the process going. This takes a lot of work. Like
prep is everything, but take the time, be good.
Definitely, prep is everything, man. Like this thing took a while. It took us over like an hour or two, like at least 2 hours to get this done. And you know, we started now, like, you know.
Yeah. Now the fast part, painting it.
Now hopefully we get to the fast and easy part, painting the fun parts. You know, and that's about it. But yeah, man. So Silverback June, we out here. We about to get started with the paint. We wiping it down one more time, so we get all the dirt and all that stuff out. And then we gonna start spraying. I'll show you what the base coat looks like. It's gonna be like a black finish, but you know, after that we're gonna get to the real color. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. Silverback June, Jada Fix. We got the first coat in. You can see it's like black. We're going with a base paint. All right, base paint, base,
told them it's Plastidip.
Yeah, dip. It's called Dip Your Car. It's Plastidip. But it's basically like painting, but you know, you can remove it later on, but you know, it'll probably be a pain in the ass.
Nah, I mean, they say the more coat you put, the easier it is to remove. So
right.
If they want to see the process real quick.
If you want to see the process, we about to turn it on. Hold on. Let me get up in here. You can see that we already did the first coat. Now we're on the second coat.
So as you go, you get a little heavier, a little slower.
Okay. Okay. See how it gets darker, the paint? Now the paint is getting a little darker. That's just the base paint. So you're gonna have to have another color going over that. So, you know, you see how it is. See the process. You know what I'm saying? It's already looking good. Yeah, man, but we're gonna finish this part and we're gonna show you some more stuff in a little while. All right, so we're back in, man. Peace. All right, man, so we already got
At least about 4 coats.
at least 3 coats of black. You know, it's looking good right now. I don't want to get too close to the car. I started spraying, Jay spraying, we both working together, get this done, you know. It's a process, you know what I mean? It's not like 1, 2, 3, but you know, you get the point. But yeah, we
see how fast the paint goes.
You can see how fast the paint really goes.
Already a whole gallon.
We only use 1 gallon of paint,
and it's still see-through.
And look how far we got already. So yeah, man, we gotta hit this front bumper because we've been working on the side so much we forgot all about the front. But yeah, man, it's coming along nice. You know, I can't complain. It's looking real good. And that's not even the final coat. This is only a base paint. So, you know, we probably hit it with like 1 more, 2, 3 more coats.
Yeah, till we get like a consistent
So we get
color,
like a nice, flat, solid black color.
At least like the bumper. I want it to look like that. Like the bumper, we don't really have to go too much because it's already black.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to hit it a couple more times. But it's black. It's already base black. So we're gonna do a couple coats of that, so you know what I mean?
Yep. So we're gonna do that.
But yeah, mainly, yeah. Like I said, we're gonna try to get a consistent color. Like right now, it's still a little see-through. Right now, this is gonna be like the 3rd coat, so I'm gonna go a little slower, a little heavier, and it should cover this next coat.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, we see.
I was painting a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I had to get, you know.
Man, ideally the garage should have been empty, but we didn't have the time. We thought we was gonna be able to do something outside, but not today.
Yeah, we was trying to do it outside. We would have had more space, but you know, it's raining outside, so.
I mean, not really supposed to paint outside either, but it's Plastidip. It's not real paint, so it's.
Yeah, it's Plastidip. This, like I said, you can go online and order this. It's called Dip Your Car. All right, they come with a kit. You know, depending on what color you want. You know what I'm saying? It comes with a nice kit, and then you you know what I'm saying, you go to work. You get the gun. It comes with the gun. It comes with all the prep stuff that you need in the container, in the box. They give you like 2 boxes. They give you like maybe 4 gallons of base paint, and then they give you a real paint. You know what I'm saying? So
get back on it.
We about to get back on it. You know what I'm saying? Silverback June, Jay the Fixer. All right, man.
Turn me back on.
All right, y'all. So we are back in the lab. So epic fail. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's funny, but then it's not funny. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, the car, it came out. It turned out I ordered to dip your car, and they didn't send me the color packet that I needed. You know what I'm saying? They sent me the matte top coat, but they didn't send me they didn't even send me the color of the paint. So now I have to go back to the drawing board and call them up and find out why I didn't get my paint. So now I'm gonna show you what the car look like. So here's what the car look like. Don't look too bad. It don't look bad. It is all black. You know what I'm saying? You know, don't mind this right here because this is just poor taping, whatever. That was my fault. But anyway, I mean, it's a different color, different look, but it was not the color I was going for. You know what I mean? I mean, driving down the road, you know, you look at it, hey, you know what I'm saying? Whew, it's nice. You know what I mean? But it's not the color that I wanted. So, you know what I'm saying? The Sinister Mag is over there. You know what I'm saying? Jada Fix already got a black car. You know what I'm saying? I'm personally ain't trying to go for black. You know what I mean? That's not the color I wanted. But anyway, yeah, so what I'm gonna end up doing is calling Dip Your Car and seeing if they could send me the gallons or whatever, or the paint that I needed, because I already paid for it and they didn't send it to me. So yeah, man. So Silverback June, man, if you like this episode, if you like this content, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna, you know, close out this video. Like I said, the car looks great. You know, the car looks nice, don't get me wrong, but it's just not the color that I, you know, was going for. But yeah, man, Silverback June, Jada Fix over there. We out of here, man.
1 week later.
All right, y'all. It's your boy Silverback June. Welcome back to the channel again. I am back for a second time. All right. The last time was an epic fail. Well, it wasn't really epic fail, but it just wasn't the color that I wanted. But now we about to start the process, baby. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I'm gonna show you what we got over here. Skins is out here. Jada Fixer, of course, we out here. All the prepping work is done. We had to show you how. Yeah, so basically we had to show you how it was prepped before. So yeah, everything is bagged up. So here's the cans of paint again. We got the black. This is a black color. This is what they forgot to send me. So now we got the Betty Black. Got the Betty Black paint. And we got the Marina Pearl. This is what's gonna give you, that midnight blue color. Alright? So we gonna mix this up. We gonna get everything ready. You know what I'm saying? And that's about it, man. See you in a little while when we start spraying. Alright, Silverback June. Drag Strip Ravens. Peace. Alright, man. So we already finished with the base coat. You already see me prep it. Paint it. You know what I'm saying? Got the base coat. I did a little boo-boo on this side. I let this part blow a little bit and I got a little thing, but I ain't gonna touch it until it dries. But now we about to mix the paint, the real paint.
So what you want to do is, though, since you got 2 gallons, you want to mix 2 gallons together. If you mix 1 and 1, it might not be the same color.
Oh, this is the top coat.
Yeah, it's the top coat. So what we're gonna do before we do that, we're gonna mix that up first.
With your trusty mixer.
Now do it yourself. Like I said, this is dip, Plastidip. Alright? This is the company, Dip Your Car. Alright? You can find that online.
This is the base. I mean, this is what paint look like before you mix it.
Swirling.
sure. Here, thank you, Joe. Okay, you got a little action.
Yeah, you know.
This is the next top coat. So this is the other. So they got 2 gallons of top coat, and they suggest use it all.
You gotta use both cans?
And that's a lot. I mean, you're talking maybe 10 coats, maybe.
Dang.
Yeah, it's a lot of paint. It's a lot, like it's a lot. So this already probably got about 6, 7 coats on it already.
Right.
And now we're about to add like maybe another
4, 5?
It depends whenever it runs out. So I think, yeah, I would say about anywhere from like 6 to like 8. I would say.
But you could, they ask you to put more.
Yeah,
they advise you. I mean.
Yeah. So basically, the more you put, the easier it is to leave. I mean, to leave. To take off. That's what they say. Because the thicker it is, the easier it is to peel.
I see.
You know what I'm saying? When it's thin, it's gonna break it, and you'll be there forever.
But if it's thick, you can just peel like
one
sheet.
big
Like one sheet. Yeah, I got you.
Exactly. So that's why they recommend that you do a lot of coats. Like when I did mine, I think I had 6 gallons of black. And I'm only going Amacolor black.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
6 gallons.
That's a lot. But I'd rather be able to peel it off at the end.
6 gallons, you can paint a whole apartment with fucking 6 gallons of paint.
I'd rather do it like that, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, but like I said, I guess in the long run it pays off because if you gotta take it off,
You
you're
take the car,
gonna be there forever.
yeah.
So now, get you a little bucket, clean bucket.
Clean bucket.
Take this right here.
Dip it in there. Pour it in there. Pour all that in there.
That's 1 gallon. See, that's why you mix it. She gets some
let me see how they look at me. Yeah, let. Oh, I see.
See that?
Oh,
So-
that's all this shit in the bottom.
Yeah, so if you don't mix it, that's sometimes what you'll get. So what I'm gonna do is do this real quick, so we can get all that. I don't know if it matters, but so before we do that,
But the hose is gonna go in there, or the paint is gonna go in
no, we gotta pour that paint out. So now I'm gonna do this. Look, so this is how you clean out the can.
there? Oh, back and forth.
Yeah. So you get all that little bit of whatever that is. I don't know what it is.
It gotta be some type of solution or something.
Yeah, 'cause you know, like,
the paint out or something.
Paint got a lot of stuff in it. Like you can look at a white, and a white got
Listen, if
5, 6 colors. White can have black in it.
If it's there for a reason. It's not there for.
So now the process is this. So we're gonna take these right here.
This powder packet. I think you got to probably
black one.
have to use the black
And then the cake.
So we're gonna do is one blue real quick. I'm gonna mix it. So I need somebody to pour.
Oh, hold on. All right, so
Big bag.
you gotta stop. Oh, you gonna do
I
it?
think I can do it. All right, I can do it. Go ahead, you're good. So look, you wanna like pour it.
Very quick.
And the reason you want to mix, it just so it don't just come to the bottom, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then you give a good mix in. You want to mix it well. Yeah,
I love these. I love black. I look good. I look real good, man.
So you got all that out. So you can go as much as you want. So the more you add, the darker it gets, baby.
Yeah. I look good, man. That's right.
Now we're gonna drop the black in there.
That's what it is.
Drop a little black in it, probably drop or whatever. Probably
do one bag of black and 2 bags of blue.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Cause the black is not in, but I like that blue right there. I'm gonna hold you.
Yeah, hold on, Aiden.
I like.
I said hold on. Oh shit.
Oh Lord. I like that blue. I'm not gonna hold you. That blue is nice.
Hold that camera.
Whatever.
I was gonna switch to that. That was to make it a darker blue. Nah, but I ain't gonna lie.
What?
What? The paper, that's plastic. The plastic paper is in here.
Yeah, I think the plastic one.
I ain't gonna hold you. That blue, that was my style right there. That first blue. But you can see it. Look at that.
That midnight.
Yeah, and the midnight is that's fire too. That's a midnight blue. Now that you get that color.
Well, mine, you're going on a black base. So it's gonna darken it up regardless.
Nah, but I like that first blue. That's more my style. I like this one too. I'm just sister, but that royal, it look like more like royal blue kind of. I like that one. Nah, but this midnight is fire too though. Look like it got flakes in it.
You take it outside, get it better.
Yeah, you gonna
is.
Yeah, that's
outside.
right. So even so,
And we in here is gonna be it's gonna look different out here. I mean, what's it, Sunday?
so what you gotta pour it back in? You gotta pour that in the can, right? That all this right here.
You're not gonna pour it right into the gun.
Now you can see it. You can put the blue. Now you can put another powder of blue in.
Yeah, go with it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Want to help? He coming 6 so you've been wanting to help since he was like 2 months.
Yeah.
You want 8 in?
Hold it. Keep going.
Tell you. It's the future car guy. Remember I said it.
Hold it good. Press it. Keep going. There you go.
Oh yeah. Good job, man. Yeah, just like that. Man. I would do everything. Just do it. Just do everything, Joan, to get it right the first time. Yeah, like father, like son, man. Gotta love it.
Oh wait, hold on. Right,
That's what I see. That's what I see. That's what I look like I
Pull
see.
this shit out, though.
Yeah, what the hell?
Where that come from, yo? I told you pull it out. Oh, I can't with y'all, G. Yeah, like just like you said, all out black. Yeah, all in the circle. All out black. Yeah, you're doing it good, man. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Next year, let's see, we have this shit. Next year, it's gonna be my painter right here. So weird, the paint don't smell. Enough time for that, enough for that.
Alright, y'all, so you already see the first coat. This is the first coat of the Midnight Blue. You can see it coming along. Skin's over here holding the hose. Jay over there spraying. You're about to see the coat right now. We already knocked the first base down. The first base coat, the first coat of the paint is already laid out. So this is the second coat. You see, let me try to get you a better angle. Right here. Oh man, that joint looking sexy, you know what I'm saying?
I gotta fix the tire thing over there.
But yeah. I got you. Anyway, we gonna let you know when we finish this coat up. I'm gonna show you what the car really looks like when it's done. Alright, Silverback June, man. Drive Trip Radies. You can start seeing the color coming out now. Alright. Alright. Peace. Alright, y'all.
It's just that he got all the wrappers
We
on.
just revealed the real paint. The paint is finally done. It's out here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that bluey, baby. Game changer. Car's running right now. Looking sexy. Gotta put the tail lights back on, but you get the idea. You know what I'm saying? This is the new paint of the car, man. This is what I was waiting for. This is called the Midnight Blue color. Alright. This is Midnight Blue. Alright. From dipyourcar.com. Alright, man. So you finished taking off this wrap off the lights and stuff. I mean the tape off the lights. Right now I'm just letting it sit outside and dry. But man, it's looking sexy right now, man. I can't stress it enough, man.
Oh, for a whole car.
This car looks crazy.
I feel like been out to the street to really look at it, you heard?
Yeah, man. Silverback June, man. Yeah, man, like, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, to my channel. If you like the content that I'm putting out, like, share, subscribe, man. I can't stress it enough. Silverback June, drag strip rabies. We out of here, man. Peace.
It all looks good, like I said.
Monkey.